47-Day Bulking Body Transformation Challenge, a journey of strength and discipline. Ryan had always been the skinny guy in his group. No matter how much he ate, his body refused to bulk up. He envied his friends who had broad shoulders and muscular arms, while he struggled to gain even a few pounds. One day, after scrolling through countless fitness transformation videos, he decided enough was enough. He set a goal: a 47-day bulking challenge to completely transform his body. Day 1, the beginning. Ryan took a long, hard look at himself in the mirror. He weighed just 135 pounds, with barely any muscle definition. He knew this wouldn't be easy. He created a strict meal plan and designed a heavy workout routine. His diet now consisted of high-protein meals, complex carbs, and healthy fats. He swapped his morning coffee for protein shakes and forced himself to eat, even when he wasn't hungry. Day 10. The struggle is real. The gym felt like torture. Lifting heavy weights drained his energy, and the soreness made it difficult to even lift his arms the next day. Some days, he wanted to quit. His friends laughed at his sudden obsession with eating 6 times a day, but he reminded himself this wasn't just about looks. It was about discipline and self-respect. Day 25. Progress and motivation. The first real results started showing. His arms looked fuller, his chest more defined, and his weight had increased to 145 pounds. His confidence grew as he started lifting heavier. The compliments from his gym trainer motivated him even more. He realized that the biggest battle wasn't physical, it was mental. Day 40. A new mindset. Ryan had completely transformed his routine. He no longer forced himself to eat. He craved the nutrition. The gym had become his second home. The weights that once felt impossible were now part of his warm-up. He had gained 17 pounds, and his body was no longer skinny, it was strong. Day 47. The transformation. As Ryan stood in front of the mirror, he hardly recognized himself. Broad shoulders, muscular arms, a defined chest. He had gained a total of 22 pounds, but more importantly, he had gained mental strength and self-discipline. This 47-day journey wasn't just about bulking up. It was a lesson in consistency, dedication, and pushing past limits. Ryan proved that anyone can transform their body. All it takes is the will to start and the courage to keep going.